Gates open, they're up and racing. Goldfield draws for your lead. Aduana is running by the rail second, racing in third. Sunshine moving up by the rail is Wanna Change as they race towards the last 900. We have Goldfield in command, Aduana in second, and moving up by the rail is entry number 1, Wanna Change, and trading the group Sunshine as they round the last 600. Goldfield still leading the field, and by the rail Wanna Change, Aduana, Sunshine still running in behind them as they race towards the last 450. Wanna Change now takes command, running on the outside is Goldfield. Sunshine, Aduana now in behind them as they swing for home. Wanna Change, Goldfield is on the outside, Aduana, Sunshine with the last 250 more to run. Wanna Change, Goldfield drops back in second, Aduana in third with the last 150 more to run. Wanna Change starts to draw away by about 6 lengths over Goldfield, Aduana, and Sunshine. And finally, it's Wanna Change, Goldfield. Third, close between Aduana and Sunshine.